Yes, thank you. Okay, so if you look, you're going to see the other one was called annular eclipse. In other words, it's not going to be a total eclipse, but what we want to see is the total eclipse. So go down to the second. So look at the total eclipse. In August, we want to start here, but this is not the only eclipse that you have going over America. Okay, but this one becomes important because in August 21, it's a total eclipse going completely from the west down to the southeast, clearly. And then April 8, which is 3 weeks' time, you're going to have another one that will start down, all right, and go up, marking the nation bad. This sign in Hebrew language is what you call Tav or Omega in Greek. You always say Alpha and Omega. Okay, so Alpha is the first letter, Omega is the last letter. This is the last letter in Hebrew, which is called Tav. It means end. End. But the funny thing about this movement is that when you go to this, you're going to find that this eclipse goes through cities that are named Egypt and Nineveh. You don't say God no be pikin. God is not a kid. It's not a child. This goes through areas named after Nineveh, Cairo, Egypt. That's where this thing goes through. Marking it asterisk. So it got people scared. But let's go down. Give me the next. Now, these are dates that you have eclipses happening over America. We are centering over America because we have singled it out to be what? Babylon the Mystery Babylon, Babylon the Great. Now, so June 1778 and October 1780, you had eclipse also. All these dates, 1860, 1869, 1878, you had eclipse. All right? 1970, 1979, and 2017, you had eclipse. But we have one that is coming up on April 8th this year. So there has been 8 eclipses happening. Next page, please. Each of those eclipses, give me the next. Let me skip this one. Each of them had some wars going on. So the first one, you have the Revolutionary War going on in that first eclipse. Within that first two. In the other 3, you had the Civil War going on. Okay? In the next 2, March and February, in 70 and 79, you had Vietnam War going on. In 2021, you had what we call COVID war going on. It was a war declared on all humanity, killing people in millions. Today now, if I ask you how many million died in COVID, how many of you know? See how fast we are in forgetting things. That's how fast we are. We remember money, 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 but we don't remember the things that are destroying humanity as a whole. COVID